Capcut versus KineMaster. Both these mobile editing apps have gotten major upgrades, so let's see which one reigns supreme in 2024. We will compare their interface, size, price, features, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which app best suits your editing needs, considering all the latest features. Size, we'll keep this quick. Capcut is around 122 megabytes on Play Store. So make some space. KineMaster packs more features at 88 megabytes. Interface and ease of use. Both interfaces are user-friendly, but some updates affect ease of use. Capcut maintains its clean layout, but the addition of advanced features might overwhelm beginners a bit. KineMaster, their interface got a sleek refresh, making it slightly more intuitive for newcomers, while veterans can still access the power they love. Features, here's where things get exciting. Let's dive into the latest features. Basis editing. Both apps offer the essentials like trimming, splitting, cutting, and speed adjustments. Text and stickers both have trendy text overlays, stickers, and emojis, with Capcut boasting some truly unique options. Music and sound effects both let you import your own music or choose from royalty-free libraries. KineMaster recently added sound effect packs for extra oomph. Advanced features. KineMaster, still the king of advanced features, KineMaster now offers frame-by-frame editing, pressure curve for speed adjustments, customizable color grading. Capcut, not to be outdone, Capcut upped its game with AI background removal, effortlessly green screen yourself into another world. Smart Cut, this new feature automatically detects and removes unwanted pauses, perfect for fast-paced edits. Advanced text editing, animate your text overlays for dynamic intro and outros. Export. Both apps allow exporting in various resolutions and are watermark-free in their free versions, so you can monetize your creations. Price. Capcut, completely free to use, with no in-app purchases to unlock features. KineMaster, free version with limited features and a watermark. Paid subscription removes the watermark and unlocks premium features, like additional export resolutions and the asset store for more effects and music. The verdict. The winner depends on your editing goals. Capcut, if you're a beginner who wants to explore some advanced features without feeling overwhelmed. Storage space is limited on your phone. You prioritize trendy effects, AI-powered editing tools, and quick edits for social media. And price is a major factor. Choose KineMaster if you're a seasoned editor or crave ultimate creative control. You need frame-by-frame precision and pro-level color grading for a polished look. You create complex projects requiring multi-track editing, still exclusive to KineMaster. And you're willing to pay for a subscription to unlock all the features. In 2024, Capcut offers a more accessible path to powerful editing, while KineMaster remains the powerhouse for pro-level creators. Subscribe to Jugar Expert.